Several days of the real hard rain and heavy winds. It was scary. It almost ripped the roof off, and then it started leaking. From that damage, we got black mold.
The devastation right after the hurricane came through, it's unbelievable. And it's going to take us years to get through this.
In the world you will have tribulation, but be of good cheer. I have overcome the world. So we celebrate that truth as we welcome Miss Pruitt and Gregory to their new home.
It's about Jesus Christ. That is what Samaritan's person is about. And then secondary is providing them a home on earth. She walks into a brand new place, fully paid for, fully furnished, and it's hers.
Thank you.
Welcome home.
I give God the glory for everything.
So it's a very sturdy home. They're super insulated. They're super strong. It is not going to go anywhere.
To have a new home that's safe and healthy, I love it. This is where we've lived ever since Gregory was born, and this is the only home place that he knows. Gregory has problems with his feet and walking. The steps make it harder, so that's why I ask for a ramp, and then that will make it so much easier. He's gonna just love it here.
I just think it's real important that people realize through Christ what can be accomplished. For many years, Vanoy Construction's been a big part of helping out in the community. And then to partner with Samaritan's person, I think it's just unbelievable.
Father, we ask that you anoint this home. May it always shine out as a light in this community. She's going to wake up in the middle of the night and think, am I really here? And think what Jesus has provided for her. It's a new beginning.
Even though I feel unworthy, he takes care of us. I'm about to tear up now. If I didn't have God in my life, I don't know what I'd do without him. He's just blessed us.